pin an app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so the app cannot be closed without your permission. First, you have to enable pin app feature before you can pin an app. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Tap more security setting. Scroll down the screen again. And then tap pin app. Next, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn it on. For more security, enable ask for button before pinning by tapping the gray on off switch next to this option until it turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, current secure screen lock needs to be done to unpin a pin app. Also, you have to remember that the name of this option may change depends on what screen lock type you are using. Since this phone uses pattern as screen lock, then you can see that the name uses pattern in it. Now you are ready to pin an app. To do so, open an app you like to pin. Tap recent button. Move to the app you like to pin. Single tap the app icon you like to pin. And then select pin this app. A pop-up appears to inform you that you have to touch and hold recent and back button at the same time to unpin the app. Tap OK to close the pop-up. The selected app has been pinned and cannot be closed. As a note, while you are pinning an app, features such as calling and messaging are blocked. Given the function, you can pin an app when you need to pass your phone to others who need to use that app only, but you don't want they access anything outside of the pin app. If you like to unpin a pin app so you can use other apps and features, tap and hold recent and back button at the same time. And then enter your screen lock. If you did the right screen lock, the app will be unpinned and you can access other apps and features in your phone again. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.